Hi, I'm Tim from Scoop. Rack studs are the world's most advanced rack mount solution designed as a simple and efficient rack mounting alternative to the cage nut. They've been around for a few years and are sold worldwide, now finally available here in South Africa. These revolutionary studs make mounting equipment a breeze and extremely quick while being a toolless installation. This means that most jobs can be done easily with just one technician on site, which is a major benefit for time-critical installations. Basic installation consists of inserting the stud from the front and putting the lock washer in place. This will prevent the stud from accidentally being pressed out of the rail port. After the washer, place the rack-mounted device on the studs and simply turn the thumb screw on the cap to lock the device in place. It couldn't be any easier. No more fussing with trying to get cage nuts in and out of rails, no more struggling to balance a heavy switch in place while fumbling for your tools. The studs are made from a strong and durable thermoplastic capable of carrying an equipment load of up to 20 kilograms. This weight limit should support most IT, AV, telco or security equipment. Another benefit of rack studs being plastic is that you'll no longer scratch any of your equipment during installation, keeping your devices looking good as new. They come in two variants, red and purple, which indicate the thickness of the rack rail that the rack studs support. Red being the thinner of the two supports 2.2 millimeter rail thickness, while the purple studs support 2.7 to 3.2 millimeters. Both products are sold in varying pack sizes depending on your requirements. Rack studs are undoubtedly an intelligent solution to an age-old problem. With all this in mind, is there really any reason to use old-fashioned cage nuts? Let us know what you think in the comments. For more information, check out the links in the description, and if you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to like and follow our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Tim from Scoop.